sauce. Oh, I think he's got the whole, like, he's trying to scoop it in his mouth.
Are they yummy? Yummy beans?
Not. Not super efficient. Oh, we don't want it in our nose. We don't want the beans in our nose. We still want them.
But we want them still.
They feel good. The beans feel good.
La Terrazza is the best.
The plate is awesome.
Alexander! Xander! You can't distract him from that.
I know.